right, guys, it's official. The credit bureaus are officially going to be adding these buy now, pay later payment history to your credit reports. All right, let's go straight into it. So if you guys saw my video, I don't know when I did it, but recently, right? At least within a month. And I talked about how it was the other way around. A lot of the buy now, pay later companies were essentially reaching out to the bureaus, the credit bureaus, to see if they were open and interested. To be honest with you, Experian and TransUnion was like, no, at first. Equifax tinkered with the idea, and now they're saying, you know what? Let's go ahead and do it. So early next year, they will be the first credit bureau, so they say, they will be the first credit bureau to start allowing, those buy now, pay later, type of platforms to be added to your credit report. For those who don't know, like Afterpay and all this other stuff that's out there, Affirm and whatever. And either way, those particular companies, you pay in fours or whatever the scheduled payment plan is, and they pay it off and they're usually done. However, there's obviously some people who don't pay. But what's essentially happening is on the good side of things, most people are paying, right? Over I think it's 60 to 70% of people are paying on time. However, there's still that small percentage of people who start off paying right or don't pay at all, and then of course they go through the normal process, right? They get sent to a collection company. The collection company then adds it to your credit report. However, for the people who are doing good things, kind of like insurance, right? If you get into an accident, your insurance rate goes up. But what if I'm a good driver, right? I should at least get a good driver discount. Same thing here. If I'm paying my stuff on time, even though it's technically not a revolving an account, or it's not a borrowed loan amount in a sense, because technically it does have a term, and but there are obviously things that are in place. They should at least be added to the credit reports. Equifax says this makes sense to us, and now all of a sudden Experian and TransUnion are saying the same thing. Okay, so the good news is that by next year, this will be yet another addition, to your credit report and to help you, build credit along the way. And Equifax is going to be the first one to do it. So congratulations to Equifax on keeping up with the trends, man. Because there are things that we're doing, that we're spending our money on and things of that sort. Yet they still have old school models, and in reality, people are honestly doing a decent job, paying bills and things of that sort. Don't get me wrong. There's most definitely people who ain't paying their bills, but at the same time, you want to make sure that you're taking full advantage, of something like that. I'm not saying go ahead and start an account, but if you've already been kind of doing it and you're like, you know what, I may actually look into that because that'll help me build my credit. Okay. But again, it's not out yet, and there's no guarantee on what date it's going to be. But as of right now, they're saying early next year. All right. So if you like this video, like it, you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.